In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a GitHub SSH key for private repositories. This allows you to securely access your private repositories without repeatedly entering your credentials. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Settings. From the left sidebar, click SSH and GPG keys. Now click New SSH key. Enter a descriptive title for your key, such as Work Laptop or Personal MacBook. Next, make sure the key type is set to Authentication key. In the key field, paste the public SSH key you've generated on your computer. Make sure you copy the complete key without adding any extra characters. Once everything is ready, click Add SSH key. GitHub may ask you to confirm your password or complete another security check. Follow the prompts if required. Your SSH key is now added to your GitHub account and can be used to securely access your private repositories. That's how to set up a GitHub SSH key for private repositories. Thanks for watching.